AutoCAD 3D. What is AutoCAD 3D and uses of AutoCAD? AutoCAD 3D is a powerful CAD software program, which is used for architectural design and mechanical engineering. It has one of the very best toolkits and also features to sustain 2D illustrations. AutoCAD 3D commands are lengthy as well as challenging software for beginners. Yet it is very valuable and also has a lot of benefits. AutoCAD 3D is a powerful CAD software, which is made use of for architectural style and also mechanical design. It has one of the best toolboxes and also features to sustain 2D drawings. Nevertheless, when it involves a 3D layout, it is impressive, with its 3D providing attribute that offers sensational and also vivid outputs. Today, technology has made it feasible to link our imagination a little bit closer to the fact, and it can be done by 3D modeling, printing, making, and more. There is a big variety of software applications offered in the marketplace that supplies the users to bring their imagination right into a reality. A few of the software application is freeware while some are priced. AutoCAD 3D is utilized by designers, indoor designers, real estate programmers, musicians, and the listing goes on and on. Over the years, AutoCAD has actually constructed a significant military of individuals, and with over 20 various items of the software program being used in its collection. About AutoCAD 3D certification. AutoCAD 3D course teaches students to create a basic 2D and 3D drawing using drawing and editing tools, organizes drawing objects on layers, adds text and basic dimensions, and prepares to plot. This course is designed for engineers, architects, interior designers, draftsmen, etc. AutoCAD 3D certificate goal is to educate the individual's extra advanced functions, on the strategy, on how to design as well as model items in the 3D design software program, enveloping surface areas as well as solids in visualizing engineering designs. Significance of AutoCAD 3D certification in 2021. AutoCAD 3D certification is one of the most qualified and also among the most convenient methods to verify your CAD skills. There is a constantly growing demand for experts with CAD, computer-aided design, skills. This consists of universities and businesses. Every one of them is trying to find clever, proficient, as well as, ideally, qualified people. It also provides you accessibility to the Certified Expert logo. A certified AutoCAD expert is included in the Autodesk database. You can get a craft that can offer you well in the future. It offers you an understanding of the interface of design tools and likewise provides you an edge in today's extremely competitive task market. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an AutoCAD 3D in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best AutoCAD 3D preparation course. This certification offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Our exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for AutoCAD 3D training every year. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/